The demand for safer towing solutions is surging as more families and adventurers hit the road with travel trailers and campers. For RVers and haulers alike, a reliable weight distribution hitch is essential for preventing dangerous sway and ensuring a level ride. This guide evaluates bar type, build quality, installation ease, and value, helping you find the perfect hitch to keep your rig stable and your journey smooth. Product number 1, Vevor Weight Distribution Hitch, 10,000 pounds round bar. The Vevor Weight Distribution Hitch, 10,000 pounds, is quickly becoming a disruptor in the towing market, offering substantial capability at a fraction of the cost of legacy brands. It is the best value pick for weekend warriors and those new to towing who need a reliable system without the professional price tag. This unit is designed to handle a gross towing weight of 10,000 pounds and a tongue weight of 1,000 pounds, making it a perfect match for most standard travel trailers and toy haulers. In terms of build quality, Vevor utilizes heavy-duty steel with a black powder-coated finish that resists rust and road grime, a critical feature for equipment that lives on your bumper. The switch type here refers to its round bar spring system, which is the classic time-tested method for leveling loads. The bars flex appropriately to transfer weight from the trailer tongue to the front axle of your truck, restoring steering control and braking efficiency. The layout of the kit is surprisingly complete for a budget option. It includes a 2 5/16" hitch ball pre-torqued, a huge time saver, a 2-inch shank, and sway control chains. Installation is straightforward for DIYers, though the instructions can sometimes be a bit sparse compared to premium brands. However, once dialed in, the ride quality improvement is immediate. For those hauling campers or cargo trailers, this Vevor model eliminates the dreaded squat and provides a stable, confident towing experience that rivals Hitches twice its price. Product number 2, Vevor Heavy Duty Weight Distribution Hitch, 12,000 pounds. While the standard Vevor model covers most light to medium towing needs, the Vevor Heavy Duty Weight Distribution Hitch, 12,000 pounds, steps up to accommodate larger rigs and heavier loads. This model is often favored by those hauling heavier toy haulers or larger travel trailers, where the tongue weight exceeds the 1,000-pound limit of the standard version. It maintains the brand's aggressive pricing strategy, while bolstering the steel components to handle the increased stress. The build quality is visibly beefier in the head assembly and the spring bars. The steel is hardened to endure the higher tension required to level a 12,000-pound load. Unlike the lighter model, this heavy-duty version often pairs better with longer trailers, where sway is a more significant risk. It utilizes a similar round bar system, but with a stiffer spring rate, ensuring that even with a heavy load, your tow vehicle remains level and your headlights stay aimed at the road rather than the sky. The layout remains user-friendly with a universal design that fits most 2-inch receivers. One of the key appeals is the inclusion of necessary hardware that other brands sell separately, such as the sway control ball mount plate. While it lacks the integrated 4-point sway control of high-end trunnion systems, it provides a solid platform for adding friction sway bars. For budget-conscious haulers with heavy rigs, this hitch offers the necessary strength to tow safely without emptying your wallet. Product number 3, the Fastway Connect Weight Distribution Hitch, commonly known as the E2. Is widely regarded as the best balance of performance and convenience on the market. Unlike the chain-style round bar hitches, the E2 uses a trunnion bar design with integrated sway control. This is a game changer for anyone who hates the hassle of removing separate friction sway bars every time they need to back up or make a tight turn. The build quality of the Fastway E2 is premium. The trunnion bars are solid steel and lock into the head unit with a satisfying click, providing a rigid connection that actively fights sway using steel-on-steel friction at 2 points. This 2-point sway control is built directly into the hitch geometry. There are no chains to dangle and no add-on friction bars to tighten. This makes it incredibly popular for serious RVers who want a set-it-and-forget-it solution. The layout is cleaner and offers better ground clearance than round bar models, as the trunnion bars sit higher up. This is a massive advantage when navigating steep driveways or dip-heavy campgrounds. Although it sits at a higher price point than the Vivor or standard round bar options, the value comes from the ease of use. You can back your trailer into a spot without ever getting out of the truck to disconnect sway bars, a convenience that experienced towers find priceless. Product number 4. Reese 49912 Pro Round Bar Weight Distribution Hitch. The Reese 49912 Pro Series is a classic stalwart in the towing industry, representing the old faithful of weight distribution. Reese has been a household name in towing for decades, and this model reflects their commitment to proven, reliable engineering. It is designed for trailers with a gross weight of up to 8,000 pounds, making it the ideal choice for mid-sized campers and utility trailers. The build quality features a cast head and tapered round spring bars. What sets the Reese Pro apart is the precision of its tapered bars. They are engineered to provide a smoother ride by offering more progressive flex than cheaper constant diameter bars. This results in less bouncing or porpoising on the highway. The hitch includes a pre-installed 2 5/16" ball and sway control tabs, streamlining the setup process. The layout is traditional, using chains and snap-up brackets to adjust tension. While this system takes a bit more muscle to engage than the trunnion style, it allows for very fine tuning of the weight distribution. If your load changes slightly, for example, empty versus full water tanks, you can easily adjust by a single chain link. It also includes a friction sway control bar in the box in most kits, adding to its value. It's a complete, ready-to-tow package that delivers professional-grade safety for the average consumer. Product number 5. Husky 31423 Round Bar Weight Distribution Hitch. The Husky 31423 Round Bar Weight Distribution Hitch is a heavy-duty beast designed for those who value durability and ease of adjustment. Rated for up to 12,000 pounds, it is a direct competitor to the heavy-duty Vivor, but comes with the backing of the Husky brand, known for rigorous safety testing and quality control. It is an excellent middle ground option for those who want a brand name product without the premium cost of a trunnion system. The build quality is highlighted by its interchangeable bar design. The hitch head is compatible with different weight bars, meaning if you upgrade your trailer later, you might only need to buy new bars rather than a whole new hitch. The finish is a robust black powder coat that holds up well against salt and moisture. Husky also uses a slightly different head geometry that allows for easier access to the hitch ball shank, simplifying the initial installation. The layout features chain-supported round bars, but Husky improves the experience with a lift assist handle that gives you more leverage when snapping the brackets into place, a small detail that saves your back. Like the Reese, it allows for easy chain adjustments. While it doesn't offer the ground clearance of the Fastway E2, its robust construction and high weight capacity make it a favorite for towing heavy toy haulers or construction trailers where raw strength is the priority.